Hello everyone, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to convert text into shape in Illustrator. First, open the Illustrator and create a new document. Go to the select text tool from the toolbar. Here I wrote a text. Then go to the type menu and click on the created outlines. Now we convert text into shape. If you want to move any one letter, then select all text and right click. Click on the ungroup. Now we move any one letter. And you can custom any letter. Now we convert text into shape. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our graphics solution tricks channel and click on the bell icon for more updates.